Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up to Google Cloud Storage from scripts, complete guide step by step clearly. To start backing up to Google Cloud Storage using scripts, first, ensure you have a Google Cloud account. Visit the Google Cloud Console and create a new project if you haven't done so already. Once your project is set up, navigate to the Cloud Storage section in the console. Create a new bucket by clicking on Create Bucket and follow the prompts to set bucket properties. Note the bucket name, as you'll need it later in your script. Next, enable billing for your project if it isn't already enabled. Now, install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt to authenticate your Google account. Run the command CloudAuth login to complete the authentication process. Set your active project by using cloud config set project, your _project_ID. Now, you'll need to create a service account for script access. Navigate to the IAM and Admins section in the Google Cloud Console. Select Service Accounts and click on Create Service Account. Provide a name and description for your service account, then click Create. Click Done to finish creating the service account. Next, generate a key for the service account by selecting it from the list. Click on Keys and then Add Key to create a new key in JSON format. Download the JSON key file and store it securely as you'll need it for authentication in your scripts. Now, ensure your script environment can access the Google Cloud SDK and have the required libraries. If you're using Python, install the Google Cloud Storage library. Use the command pip install Google Cloud Storage to install the required package. Next, import the necessary libraries in your script. Initialize your Google Cloud Storage client using the downloaded JSON key for authentication. Direct your script to specify the bucket where files will be backed up. Define the path of the file you wish to back up. Use the storage client to upload the file to your specified bucket. Make sure to handle exceptions to catch any errors during the upload process. After completing the upload, provide logging to confirm the backup was successful. Finally, run your script to back up your files to Google Cloud Storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.